The EXAIR Gen4 ion air gun combines incredibly fast static decay rates with low air consumption. It is shown here removing dust prior to framing artwork under glass. It is also commonly used to eliminate static and dust from three-dimensional parts prior to packaging or any manual static elimination application. EXAIR manufactures a complete line of static eliminators that are in stock and ready to solve static problems. We also manufacture custom static solutions for specific applications. They are intelligent compressed air products that can neutralize static and keep your production running smoothly. All of EXAIR Gen4 static eliminators have undergone independent laboratory tests to certify they meet the rigorous safety, health, and environmental standards of the USA, European Union, and Canada that are required to attain the CE and UL marks. Every Gen4 static eliminator offers a metal armored high voltage cable to protect against abrasion, cuts, splits, and other damage. A single wire integrated ground which eliminates the need for a separate ground connection, and electromagnetic shielding in all cables to protect sensitive electronics. EXAIR static eliminators are shockless to the touch and are powered by a 5 kilovolt power supply. Power supplies feature selectable voltage for 115 and 230 volts AC, rugged stainless steel connections, and integrated fuse protection on the primary input voltage. They are available with 2 or 4 outlets for powering any of EXAIR's static eliminators. If you would like to know more about EXAIR's static eliminators, please contact an EXAIR application engineer at 800-903-9247 for the US and Canada. Our worldwide phone number is 513-671-3322.